The 13U block team. Jeff look good. Hey, so I'll keep it short. I teach, so Monday through Friday I hang out with 13-year-olds, and Saturday and Sunday I hang out with 13-year-olds.
Bless your heart.
The group I have, amazing group, they work their tails off. I think we ended up with 3 second place finishes in tournaments. I've seen them come a long way from the beginning, so well deserved. We also have 2 more tournaments. We have a tournament in Des Moines coming up, and 1 and 2 falls. I think we can go and actually win. So good job, keep it up, and keep fighting. Our top hitter award goes to Sammy Falls. For top pitcher award, I think he went 6-0 with a complete ERA. Is Mr. Charlie Hope. Our Blizzard MVP goes to our center fielder, Will Olson. And then our leadership award is Will Roguski, so it's happy on the plate for us.
Good job. That's the best big league here we have on our program.